Hello guys, flash.fnx. Today we're going to discuss about the Save Children token. It is a charity-based token and we're going to discuss about it in today's video. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Hoping here on your website we can see that this token is based on charity. It has a purpose. So save children. Around the world, too many children still start life at a disadvantage simply because of who they are and where they are from. In collaboration with international organizations, they are trying to make a new breakthrough, namely a charity token with exponential price growth benefits for holders and as well as charities. So simply by holding tokens, you'll earn passive income. There's a total of 10 billion total supply. 25% of it has been burned and sent to the black hole. 25% of total supply was locked for 2 years. And they also allocate 5% of the total supply for donations to disadvantaged children, 5% for marketing, and 2% for the developer and the team. Scrolling a bit down on the tokenomics, as I said before, the total supply is 10 billion. It has been burned 2.5 billion and it was logged 2.5 billion. The team behind it has implemented functions to maintain an upward momentum in price for the token. Each transaction is taxed a 10% fee, which is split into two ways. Here on the roadmap, so in Q2 2021, the launch refine community, established admin mod, built out social media, build social media management, expand core dev, incorporate as business, design a new logo, a new website design, donate 5k per 5,000 holders. In the third quarter of 2021, community development, smart contract audit, CMC listing, CoinGecko listing on multiple exchanges, advertising partnerships, launch DeFi app. And into the last quarter, expand dev and admin, create marketing team, update DeFi app, NFTs, partnerships, start educational platform. The Save Children coin has already applied to CoinMarketCap, Delta Coin, Codex, Livecoin Watch. Okay, so they're doing a project funding right now. Save Children needs you. They want to make this project big so that more children will be helped. They need a donation from you to pay full packages on PooCoin. So if you donate 1 BNB to this wallet address over here, you'll get 1 BNB worth of tokens plus free 10%. But if you donate over 1 BNB, you'll get the amount you donated of BNB plus 20% in tokens. They're doing this because they don't want to affect the price. They don't want to sell and just affect the price going down. Okay, so taking a look at the BSC Scan over here, we can see that they're currently sitting at 751 addresses at the moment, and the highest percentage a holder owns is only 3.2%. As I highly suggest you guys going and following them on Twitter as well as joining the Telegram group with over 1,000 members. Quick disclaimer guys, this is not financial advice or anything else. Everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only. So now I want to show you guys on how to buy Save the Children coins. So firstly, you'll have to go onto their website, click on the buy now. It will redirect you to the Pancake swap. Put whatever amount of BNB you want to swap for the token. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 10%. Click on swap, confirm the swap. MetaMask will give you a notification and just confirm it. That being it for today's video guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on notifications, and if you guys want to do a good cause and you want to get some quick profit as well, I would highly suggest you guys going and helping them save the children.